Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in.
Good morning and welcome to another week in my life. Enjoyed the elevator music. I am back. I wore my silly goose and ripped it. It is probably 12 o'clock. 12:02. I'm going to go jump in the shower and then head out, but let's hang this up first. Let's see. I don't think it'll bounce. You guys, are you ready? It looks so good on the wall. All right, guys, we are off. Here's my little outfit. I'm just wearing this because they said that the uniform is dark colored leggings, tennis shoes, and a sole shirt, but clearly they have to give me mine. Anyway, I am excited and I'm hungry. I just ordered Chick-fil-A. I ordered 12 count with a yogurt parfait and I think I'm gonna head out. All right. Why am I nervous? I'm really not that nervous. Now I'm starting getting a little nervous. Oh, and I put a little makeup on. I don't have earrings, which I feel naked. But anyway, gonna go. Look how good my hair looks. Loving it. I added a little hairspray. I'm not really good at the round brush, at styling it with that, but it dries it so fast. Anyway, okay, let's go for Sam's Cycle. I've made it. I'm in a very tight parking spot, but I mean, look at this fit. Oh, it's giving. Hi guys, I'm editing this vlog and I just wanted to put some things in because I sat down and filmed this already, like on my camera, and put these things in, but the clips ended up being like literally 10 minutes a piece. So, and I just didn't really get out what I was trying to say. Essentially, I kept this in to keep it real that I struggle just like everybody else, and just like it's a huge adjustment period. And so I had like a few days where like my anxiety like wasn't the best, and so I'm keeping this in because this day I like couldn't sleep. My anxiety, I had like random anxiety trying to go to bed and didn't sleep well, and then I just was very anxious, so that's why I'm keeping this in. I'm very sorry for the vlog not being very cohesive. It was like very chatty, and then a lot of the things that I was saying weren't necessarily new things or things I wanted to keep in. So anyway, I love my new job. Everyone I work with is super nice and it's going great so far. And I'm just sort of in that adjustment period of getting back into a job, not having one for a while, and being away from like my parents. Sorry. Even though I do have family here, it's just like different. But anywho, okay, I'm gonna go. But I hope you guys enjoy. Once again, I promise next week it's gonna be a little more interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, queens. Mwah. Hello, good morning. It is Thursday morning. I have work at 3 right now. I think it's like 11. I'm not totally sure. I had the worst and like random anxiety last night and I just couldn't fall asleep. I have a horrible headache. I haven't had coffee yet, but before I have coffee, I'm gonna go on a walk. I'm gonna take Archie on a walk, and yeah, that's about it. Did I even vlog yesterday when I got done? Oh my gosh, I didn't. At least like a few. Hi. Lighting is not giving Slate energy. You're lying. I just recorded this for like 5 minutes. Sorry, my face isn't in this. Ugh. Depressing. Okay, Trader Joe's haul. Smoked salmon. Overnight oats. I'm going to save it for work on Saturday. Broccoli, slaw, kale salad with chicken. Mexican salad. I'm probably going to save this for tomorrow. I think I may eat this tonight, but we're going to see how I'm feeling. I have bacon olive crisps. These are so good with the truffle dip, but I think they've gotten away with it, which is so depressing. I meant to pick up the cocoa dip that everyone's talking about, but I forgot. I got buffalo chicken dip, plantain chips, dark chocolate muffin, protein muffin, 2 apples, 3 bananas, and rolled oats for overnight oats for next week for work. So, anywho, I'm like so unwell. I feel like all I've done today is talk. Anyway, work is going well. I love it. Everyone's so nice and such a great little group, which is exciting. I look like a lumberjack. And now I'm going to head inside and do this little anti-inflammatory thing while I watch a TV show. Okay, TTYL.
Drag me out to the nearest bar, and hours later we were on the run. It smells like trouble, I'll stay in the car. Hey, come on over, it'll be fine. I would rather stay home alone, playing Sudoku on my phone.
So here's the door as you turn to the left. Also, I realized after I started organizing and everything, I'm gonna have a new fridge that's there, so all of this may be changing. This is like my uncle's stuff because this was his office before I moved in. I have my fridge. Look at these. If you guys watch my Christmas vlog, I have my little cat yoga magnets, my Amalfi magnet, and that's just the note from where my family sent me flowers on my first day. I have snacks up there. I have my Bible and this like Jesus Calling Christmas devotional that right next to it I just have a little stand. My tennis shoes are under it. We have Miss Chanel. Slay Chanel. She's stunning. Okay, and next this is just like the living area, but we're gonna turn around here first, which is where I have a little nice side table here because I don't have a lot of storage. I have some of my bulkier items from Sam's, and then I have a little notepad with my flowers, my keys. Right now I'm gonna move some of this stuff. Right now I have this by the door just in case I'm like walking out to go to the grocery store. It's a reusable bag. I have my Altoids. I have this water bottle to take with me to fill up for my walk. Keys. We were in the Dallas area and looking for a florist. This arrangement is absolutely stunning. I still have my little Merry Christmas that my aunt put up when I first got here. And then over here I have my bag just hanging. It's on a little nail. There's a cross that was already up. There's this. If you guys, wait, did I vlog it? On my birthday I went to Rise. I've always wanted one of these Rise tea towels. It's hanging over that because I wanted it right there so it could sort of be on display. But the issue is that it keeps falling off, so I might have to get a little Velcro thing or something to hold it up. I have my vacuum cleaner, which I'm about to use, my trash can. Since I filmed the first part, I have more dishes that I need to do, but there's my little sink area. Here's my little area. It has all my medicine. This is the life of a sick person. I take so many different medicines, and it's just, it is what it is. That's just like a dent in my medicine bags. I have all my sites and everything in the closets. Up here, I just have some dishes and stuff. Up here, we're jam-packed. Look at that. I'm not even gonna try to go through it. I gotta take that back inside for my grandma. And then over here, this kind of stays open because there's a skillet up here, but I have some coffee things up there. I have some Cheerios, protein powder, random like drinks and stuff up there. And then, like you guys saw, a little lofted area. My bed is up there. Should we go? You guys, stunning. Look at Miss Marsha. Also, please look. I got the hatch. There's my cup of water. But I got the hatch, and the other morning at probably 5 in the morning, it went off. I fell out of my bed. I was terrified. And yeah, so hasn't done it again, but that did terrify me. I'm staying on the stairs. This is kind of good, a good POV. Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. Here's the biggest accomplishment I did today. I reorganized. It looks so good. I love it. I have my camera, and usually my other camera's up there, but it's charging. I have my little baby corgi from London. I have some magazines and a game up there. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. I have my entire library, which, you guys, this fits perfectly. So I guess I'm gonna have to get rid of some after I continue reading. I'm almost done with one book, and I'm starting another film book. I have my charades that you guys saw I got in St. Simon's. There's some magazines. There's some magazines that I'm gonna read. My aunt saved for me. We have this little dish, but I stood her up and I thought it was really cute. I'm loving that. And then down here, it fell over when I got the tripod out. I know that does not look great, but it is what it is. Then I have, this has a lot of papers and stuff for SCAD and UGA. And I have my friend's clue. Alright, so I am going to do some stretching. I'm gonna change, eat, and get ready for my Rich Mom walk. Change and get ready for my Rich Mom walk. I am so excited. I need to go ahead and go just in case it gets a little chilly. And yeah, I will probably catch up with you guys later tonight or in the morning. Good morning. It is Saturday. It is about 8:30. I woke up, got ready. Sorry I didn't vlog any of it. I'll put in clips right here from my TikTok vlog portion. And they texted me, said I could come in at 9 if I wanted to, but I really had a bad day yesterday, so I need to spend a little extra more time centering myself this morning. Okay, this is the worst decision I've ever had. Look at it. I can't believe that I remembered you guys. I ended up coming to Nordstrom after work and looking for more black leggings, but I think I'm gonna have to get Lulu because there's nothing there. So I came to treat myself to the cafe, which is so good if you've ever been before, to die for. The burrata was like out of this world, insane. Okay.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying
I know.
in with you.
She's back.
Play
She's
your
back.
favorite movie, playing right beside
I gotta take a
me.
picture of
I
this.
don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go.